Hello viewers, welcome again. Today we are going to see how we can make our own crushed mirror glass. So we need some thick mirror pieces. You can get them from any local mirror shop. You can get the waste glass that they usually dispose. Then you're going to break down the glass into very small pieces. So this is what we get after crushing the mirrors. As you can see, I wanted the black colored mirrors, but in case you want a different color, you can always spray paint the mirrors and then you let them dry before you start breaking them. So now I'm grading the mirror pieces using a strainer to especially get the mirror dust and sort the other big pieces. Commercially prepared glass mirror pieces are a bit expensive, so I encourage you, if you need to use them, just do it yourself. I got the glasses for free, therefore there is zero cost on this, as I'm doing all this process on my own. If you are doing this indoors, be careful not to leave the mirror particles around. Here I decided to separate them into three because we have the smaller particles. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so that you are able to be alerted when I post the next videos, in which I'll be showing you how we are going to use these crushed mirror pieces. For my returning subscribers, thank you for supporting me, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are able to see my videos every time I upload. So finally, this is what we get. This is fine glass powder that we are going to use as glitters. And then we have these other particles, the second grade, that you're also going to use for a project. And now the a bit larger pieces. I hope you are seeing the glitter as I'm also seeing. Thank you for watching. Bye.